What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. So today you are joining me in Santa Clarita, California, I believe. If you've seen in the title, we are going to be building some V-boards, some 8-foot V-boards for a load that I just got that's paying really well to go from North Hollywood, California up to into Nebraska. And so we need 8-foot V-boards, but I don't have 8-foot V-boards, and so I told the guy if he paid me good enough that I would come to a Home Depot and I would build some. So he paid me good enough and we're at a Home Depot, so we're going to build some. So that's the story behind that. So let's go wander into Home Depot and go get the stuff that we need. So I figured, what the heck, let's make a video out of it, show you guys how to build some V-boards and then go from there. So let's wander into Home Depot and hopefully they got everything we need, because I found the closest Home Depot that I could to where I need to pick up from. So we're gonna have to make what they have work at this point. So, but let's wander inside. Alright guys, so first thing we're going to grab, so we don't have to walk around and push a bunch of wood all over, is we're going to grab screws first, which we're going to get 1/2-inch lath screws because they have a big head on it to hold the strap to the wood. So, and we need about 140 of these screws, and it says here that there's 265 screws per box. And then I don't have a drill on my truck, and so I'm grabbing this Ryobi drill. It's only $40, so that way I don't have to sit there and either do screws by hand or use nails, because nails can pop out over time. So we're going to grab these two, and then from there we need to go find some wood and a cart to put the wood on. But essentially we need 12 8-foot V-boards, so we need 24 pieces of 1-inch by 4-inch by 8-foot long pieces of wood for to make these. So let's go find some wood. So we found our 1x4s. So they're right here, 1x4 by 8. They're going to be $3.82 a piece here at Home Depot. Okay guys, we are back out at the truck and trailer now. As you've seen inside, we got our wood, we got our screws. I did end up picking up some wood sealer to not only seal the wood for the V-boards, but I sealed the wood on the trailer, so make sure you go watch that video. And then here is everything. So we have the wood here, we have 24 1x4 by 8s. We have our straps that we're going to cut up into, we're going to do 16-inch pieces. So, and then just stuff that we need. We have scissors to cut the straps, gloves. As we mentioned earlier, inside we have the screws. I have tape because I'm going to lay out a grid on the trailer that's 16 inches. That way I don't have to measure out every piece. And then here we have the sealer. It's about $125 for the wood, the screws, and then the waterproofing stuff to keep it all good. But just in case you guys were wondering. But let's get cutting the straps. So guys, so I found a razor knife that I have, so it's made cutting these a little bit easier. So I haven't been able, or I haven't sat there been sawing through them with the scissors. So I have about 21 of them done right there, so I'm a couple more minutes and then we'll start screwing them to the boards. So, and then we'll set out another little jig for the boards, so that way we can set the boards in the jig and then lay the straps on them and just screw. So, but let me hurry and cut the last 15 of these and then we'll jump onto that. And plus we're running out of light pretty fast, so chop chop. So we got 36 pieces all cut, so now let's get the wood, get the drill, get the screws, and get this done. Alright, as you can see, that's kind of going to be my setup right there. So I'm going to be about 10 inches in, then there'll be a strap, and then this one's going to be a little off-centered. Then this one will be about 10 inches in or so. And then I'm just going to use the edge of this so I can kind of know where that one is every time. But the reason this one's going to be off-centered is because if I ever want to cut them down into 4 foot, then this one automatically has 2 on it. Like that one will automatically have 2 straps, and then I'll just have to add a strap here, and then I'll have 4 foot V boards essentially. So but that's an 8 foot V board right there. So 3 straps and then 2 boards. So let me stick the camera in the little tripod and then you guys can watch me screw this one together. See, it was that easy. So like I said, just get screws with big heads in them. So 1x4s by 8 feet. I did my straps at 16 inches. These are 1/2 inch lath screws, so they have the big heads on them. So, and then yeah, that's a 8 foot V board ring on this. But this is how you fold them up, if you guys were wondering. You just essentially roll them up just like that. So and that's how they stay. But yeah, I have 6 minutes left, 5 minutes left on this SD card. So that's building V boards. So I appreciate everybody for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them in the comment box, I guess. I don't know what the hell it's called, but I do appreciate everybody, all the subscribers, and I'll see you guys all on the next video.